Hello everyone! Today I will show you one of the most stunning beach in Thassos, Psili Ammos. Get ready for some serious crystal clear water, soft golden sand and some seriously nice places to chill. Once you arrived on the beach, you will notice that the sand is fine-grained, the color of the sea is nicest blue, and the color of the sky is complementing the sea like a fine wine. There are lots of spots on the beach where you can enjoy the full experience of the summer in Greece. There are a lot of beach bars on the Psili Ammos, but my favorite was Blue Velvet, a beach bar that is placed on the ridge above the beach. It has very nice overlook of the beach and the sea itself. It is small cantina, but it's very cozy. If someone is looking for a lunch or some snack, other beach bars have a variety of food. Psili Ammos is famous for its calm, shallow waters, making it ideal for swimming, floating, or just chilling by the shore. The vibe here is very relaxed and it's very lively on the beach. You can just enjoy it with red cappuccino in one hand and watching the calm waves of the sea. It's excellent beach for both families and for swimming. Parking here can be somewhat difficult to find, but if you come early in the morning, you will have no any difficulties to find a parking space.